Hi, this is Dr. Rasya Dikshit from Dr. Dikshit Cosmetic Dermatology, Bangalore. Do you know what an open pore is? An open pore is nothing but the enlargement of the oil gland opening or oil gland mouth. We see open pores commonly with young people, with teenagers, when their oil gland size are just maturing, and later in old age when the collagen which is holding your skin tight, which closes the mouth of the pore, starts to sag. A lot of people complain about open pores, especially when they see after a long sun exposure. Definitely smoking is a factor which makes your open pores much worse. Why everybody is so concerned about open pores? When you have open pores, your skin looks not smooth and it also looks a little bit more aged than before. So what is the first thing that you have to do to prevent an open pore? The simplest thing is use a sunscreen every day to prevent further collagen denaturation. Make sure you use a good salicylic acid based face wash which is gentle enough for your skin and cleanses out your pores effectively. Treatments such as scrubs might not actually help too much for a pore, because a pore is actually a structural deformity which runs throughout the skin itself. So just scraping off the upper layer of skin might not help significantly, but because of the edema which happens, because of the swelling which happens after you scrub your face, your skin looks and feels smoother. So yes, you can do it, but if you really want to do much more for treatment of your pores, then I think there are two things which will significantly help. One is the use of a retinol based cream which helps the collagen to tighten significantly. The other treatment is a treatment like a derma roller or a laser which actually tightens the skin by resurfacing the skin. These are treatments which will significantly improve the quality of the skin. When you always look at pores, it is easier to treat the pores when they are starting than when they are completely enlarged. So make sure that you consult your doctor early so that you can at least start on the preventive treatment, such as using your sunscreen regularly and the prescription creams which I just mentioned. But what do you do when you have to have a quick fix? Definitely, if you have a party to go to and you feel your oil glands are looking too enlarged, just do this simple trick. Take an ice cube and run it over your face. This seals the pores and temporarily, and then gives you an improved skin texture immediately.